everyone, there is something which is deep down hidden in yourself. Something is hidden, or it can be a suppressed emotion which needs to come out. If this comes out, your childhood patterns will break, or your childhood trauma will break, and with this your success and the doors of your success will be widely open. It reminds me of my childhood. This reading is like when I'm starting this, I'm getting a glimpse of my childhood. I used to prepare an arrow and bow. Looking at Ramji, and I always, whenever that people talk about him and all, so I used to prepare an arrow and the bow, and like this, I used to make. And why I'm telling you this? Somewhere by listening to all the stories and all about God and watching televisions and serials, you will understand God is not in a picture, or He is not in an idol. His reality. He is the way of living, and He is in the way of living. So even as a child, I always used to play like this, like how bows are prepared and how he told to Ravana and what happened and this. Why I'm saying this? Because as I grew up as a child, like as I grew up and I was into education and the youngsters were there, I find out nobody is interested in any such talk. Everybody is interested in their trending things, and they are very different kind of people and different kind of classmates and friends. Even no family, no girl was interested in such things. What I understood from the pattern, you should have like-minded friends, or you should have some different kinds of friends, but you should never have a friend who will be you should never be in a group of people where your faith or something was as sensitive as divine and God, and they don't have any resonance with that. Should never ever be in that group. I suffered literally from a lot of frustration. Why are you just like this? And I used to say like, it's not right, you are taking a wrong approach. They listened to me. This work I used to do since my school days. So I used to consult to people, no, you're doing something wrong, no, you should be not doing this. They listened to me. A little bit, they used to talk to me that way only. This is what she understood, so let's talk like this. They used to repeat the same things. They used to repeat the same words. But the kind of impact, I don't feel so they had, because right from their childhood, they only understood the language of either profit and loss, or doing friendship for the benefit, or being in a relationship, or having a relationship with somebody as a friend also. For some reason, once that class and that section, you are out of that class and section, then you will have another kind of friends, and you will forget about the old ones, and you will mistreat and you will gossip about them, you will say negative things about them. That is what friendship means. I used to have good friends. I really had best friends, good friends, buddies. But this is one thing I noticed as during my education time. This is what is the trend of being modern, cool. You can forget about something just like that. Simply forget about something, a relationship, a friendship, just like that. So this reading is about, let me see what is this reading. It's not about me and me alone. It can be about you also. So this time, if your career and something is stuck, there is something hidden in you which you are not seeing as a suppressed emotion. And it's coming from your teenage or your childhood. That's why I reminded this story was there. Between worlds come to the edge and truth be told. You have to be very truthful with you. Like I'm not a person actually who will share my life too much to people, to express what I felt, how I feel about seeing things, what makes me happy, what was the struggle, what happened, why happened. I never talked that much about it, but I have now started to talk. Like I have started to understand my own patterns. Because you do not speak, people can understand that you haven't gone through anything. So it's enough, like we have gone through a lot of situations, we know better than you and all. Sometimes it's important to speak that it hurts. Something can be very hurting. Something hurts a lot. When you talk like this, when you behave this way, I also feel that pain. I also feel the same kind of frustration as you. I also feel the same anger as you. But I have some control and mastery over myself. I don't behave as roughly as you do, but I have that much control. This is what you have to actually understand. The path of your career will only and only unlock when you be honest with yourself that I have endured a lot of situations. Whatever you are talking about, I have also gone through the same situation, because it's not like my childhood was different and your childhood was different. It can be a little bit similar, or your teenage can be a little bit similar. We all have a lot of set patterns similar like each other. Something can be triggering to me, maybe the same thing can be triggering to you also. Even if you don't belong to me, if you don't talk to me, but something can be equally triggering to me and you also. That's what I'm telling you. Truth be told, you have to be a person who will be very blunt with yourself and honest. I have also seen life enough. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. I've also polished myself enough. That's why I'm saying what I'm saying. If you have your own experiences, I am having my own. So you just can't say that I have much more experienced, I have much more suffered in life, because you know how to speak. You know you can speak about it. Some people do not. But they just do not because they feel like I'm strong enough to handle my troubles. Why to trouble somebody else? Sometimes you have to break that cycle and you have to literally speak to people that really irritates me, stop doing it. Or this is what my life was. This is what the pattern was. Maybe that story or that incident can relate with somebody and they can get something from that. So it's like you have to be very honest with yourself about the journey that you went through, the truth about something or some situation. There has to be an honesty about it. Once you behave this way, that I have also suffered enough and I know what I'm talking about, or experiences that you have understood about the youth, society, childhood patterns, when you start talking that way, you will see nothing will remain hidden from you. Nothing in the universe will be delaying situations. If delay is happening because you are holding back a lot of experiences in life. Come to the edge. Yes, it's about self-expression. The way you express yourself speaks a lot about you. So if you express yourself in a very polite way, in a loving way, that also speaks a lot about you. But if you express yourself in a very bold, diplomatic, and also very intelligent way, that also speaks a lot about you. So the expression, but I am being told to tell you, when you express something from the heart, you must be very romantically expressing. But when you talk about something completely logical, then you have to be extremely logical with that. Or spiritual, you have to be extremely logical with that. And the kind of between worlds in reverse. So I think you are juggling between the past and the future, or you are juggling between something that you can do and the another aspect of that also. And you're feeling like, why I'm so confused about this thing, why I have to do this also, I have to do that also, I have two options to juggle in between. God is saying there are not two options, there is only one option, and that one option is you have to say something which resonates with people. You have to do something which resonates with people. And if something has to resonate with people, then you have to resonate with yourself. What is your real expression? What do you really want to preach and teach? When you are clear with yourself, you will be clear to the world also. And then you can change your perspective, then you can shift your crown, then you can change your faces. That will depend. I also feel but if you know that this is one significant aspect that you can address very properly or rightly, then I feel you should go ahead with that. I'm just feeling confused about this between the worlds. Can I have a clarity about it? Like how somebody is so confused, so how can they have the clarity around this? Don't think like a psychic person, think like a logical, practical person. So a logical and a practical person will think like, whatever I'm saying and whatever I'm speaking, like, what should you go for? Can I have a... It's like the more you dig deeper into the situation, you will get the clarity. What kind of a child you are? That's the question. Are you somebody who is specially gifted by God? Or you are somebody who is trying to show to the world that I am specially gifted? So if you are showing to the world that I am specially gifted, then you will be doing things in a different way. But if you are rightly gifted, actually gifted, then you will understand doing any work is going to work of the divine. So here you will not try to explain and over-explain to people. You will simply do your work. And what is your work here? Your work is to stop manipulating yourself. In the name of religion, God, and even love, relationships. And don't ever get manipulated by something else. If you believe in something, stand up for that. If you believe that a certain way of living is the best way, then you have to speak about it. There is nothing else to the story. But it should be in your own way. Somebody can try to trap you by distracting you. It is like a work situation. Somebody is putting a person into your life just to distract you or destroy your career in some way. But the divine guidance is this person himself will get destroyed by the grace of the God. Don't you worry about it. And what you have to do in a situation, you have to become a high priestess. Do not value anything which is lesser than your standards. If something is putting you down, quickly erase that thing. Quickly rise above it and just do what you have to do. Why this lady is doing this? This lady is actually brainwashing. Like it's like a brainwashing thing is going on. Somebody is extremely spiritual and that person is turning that person into a very modern and a different kind of a person, and then trying to change their direction towards you, and you hate such behavior. That's why you are trying to resist that person, and that will create a lot of chaos and drama. Hold, you have to check out certain things. Who you are as a person and what are you doing with your life. If you're doing something which matters in life, like if you're doing something which you feel like is the right way or is the right approach for you to deal with it, you must do it that way. But if this is a love situation, you must handle it very wisely. If you break somebody's heart because of your work, that will also be not fine. So you have to be very, very you're careful about something. If it's about a love situation, then you must deal with it gently. And if it's about a work situation, you must deal with it very brutally. Not brutally, but in a very correct way. So what God is telling you, there are two ways. Either this person is coming with wrong intention, this person will be trapped by you, or they will simply trap this person. And if there is somebody who is genuinely interested in you, but somebody is trying to brainwash them and make them believe that you are a very modern and very different kind of a person, then you will understand what is happening and you will try to make somebody understand your perspective, and then situation will be resolved beautifully. But what divine is telling you? Stop behaving like you are a saint, or you have to go and leave, you have to go to the cave and all. And behave like a normal human being, as everybody is behaving, so that everybody can connect with it. Okay? And once that connection forms, then people can talk about you, and then people can actually relate with what you are saying. Okay? That's how I can channel the message. The whole misconception is because you are not able to express yourself fully as to what kind of person you are. And once you are being told to mix two things together. If you want people to listen to what you are saying, you have to mix two things together and make them understand what is exactly that you really want to speak. And once that clears, every mess will be completely cleared up. And that will be an end of a third party situation. There is a huge misunderstanding going on in a connection. You have to correct that misunderstanding. I'm telling you, the next readings will be about a misunderstanding, misconception going on, and I will be doing it. So let's see what happens.